If YouTube TV is lagging on your Firestick, causing delayed playback, buffering, or slow menu navigation, you can fix it with a few simple steps. Here's how to improve performance quickly. Step 1. Restart your Firestick. Go to Settings, open My Fire TV, and choose Restart. A full reboot clears temporary glitches, refreshes memory, and instantly improves speed. Step 2. Check your internet speed. YouTube TV needs a stable connection to run smoothly. 7 to 13 megabits per second for HD, 25 megabits per second for 4K. Move closer to your Wi-Fi router or switch to a 5 GHz network for better performance. If possible, use an Ethernet adapter for Firestick. A wired connection dramatically reduces lag and buffering. Step 3. Clear the YouTube TV app cache. Open Settings. Go to Applications, then Manage Installed Applications. Select YouTube TV and choose Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that slow down the app without deleting any of your account data. Step 4. Reinstall the app if needed. If lag continues, uninstall and reinstall the YouTube TV app. Highlight the app, press the menu button, select Uninstall, then reinstall it from the Amazon App Store. A fresh install often fixes corrupted data and improves loading speed. Step 5. Reduce background activity. Close any apps running in the background on your Firestick. Too many open apps consume memory and make YouTube TV feel sluggish. Step 6. Lower video quality. Temporarily. While watching a video, open the settings icon and choose Video Quality. Select 720p or 480p if your connection is unstable. Lower quality reduces buffering and keeps the stream smooth. Following these steps usually removes lag and helps YouTube TV run faster and more reliably on your Firestick. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.